Hello guys, welcome to the third lecture of course Basics of Autocad. This is Mr. Sagar Gadi, working as Assistant Professor in AISSMS College of Engineering, Pune. So in first video, we have seen how to draw the horizontal line, inclined line, polyline, circle by giving the radius as input, circle by giving diameter as input, rectangle by giving corner points, rectangle by giving dimensions, pentagons, hexagon, etc. by using the draw toolbars. So it means in first lecture we have done with the draw toolbar of AutoCAD. Now in second video we seen different modified commands in AutoCAD like how to move the object, how to copy the object, how to rotate the object, how to mirror the object, how to scale the object, how to make array of object and how to trim the object. So in this video, we are going to see how to give dimensions to the diagram, how to change properties of a diagram like its color, thickness, the line type of object, and how to use object snap mode in AutoCAD. So let's start with the video. Now, so up till now we have done this. Okay, we have done the drawings, we have done the rectangle, square, circle, arrays, copies, moves. So these commands we have seen. Okay, now here we have to move towards the annotate command. So in annotate command or annotate toolbar, we can type any text. We can give the dimensions to the object. Okay, so here firstly move towards the text. So here if I choose the multi-line text, the short command is mtext. Okay, if when it means if I type the mtext, so multi-line text will appear. So here let's see here when I choose or click on this A, so it will ask me about the specify first corner. It means I have to type the text in the box. So it asks me about the first corner of that box. So let's see here. If I press over here, so it asks me about the specify opposite corner. So right now I will give any another corner. It is okay with me. Now let's see here. Okay, so I will. So here the length or height of the text is appear. It is 0.2. So it is very so small. So here I have to firstly I have to change the height of the text. So here I will change the height of the text as a 3, pressing the enter. Okay. Then next I can bold the object, I can make italic, I can underline the object like this. Here I can change the font of the object. Here I can change the color of the object like this. Okay. So here firstly I will type okay. So welcome to the course AutoCAD, the basics of AutoCAD. Welcome to the course basics of AutoCAD. Okay, now after typing the text, simply press the escape. Okay, so here when you press the escape, now see Z and okay, press escape, Z enter, A enter. Okay, Z enter, A enter. Okay, let's see. This text height is so small. So how to edit this? Just double click on this one. Select the text. Now instead of 3, make it 6. Press enter. Okay, make it 6. Press enter. Okay, so after hitting enter, so the height of text is modified. Now this new height is 6. So now press escape. Okay, it is still not visible. So let's see. Again double click over here. Select the text. Make it 15. Text height is a 15. Okay, it is 15. Okay, I can change the font color also. Okay, here I will change the font color. I can change the font. Okay, this is the color. Here I can change the font type. Okay, this is the font color. I can make it bold also. I can make it italic also. I can underline the font also. Now just press the escape. Okay, click. Okay, now it is visible. Okay, welcome to course basics of AutoCAD. So this is how we can use the text. So let's see, I can copy this text also. Okay, so select this one, type copy. Now it asks me to specify base point, so select any point as a base point. Now here let's see, I can copy this text also. Okay, so while giving the notations to the point, okay, I will cover it later. While giving the notations to the point, I can use this command, copy command in text. Okay, now text is over. Now move towards the dimensions, how to use the dimensions. Okay, let's see here. Go to the dimensions here. Here I can give the linear dimension. It means when you have to represent the linear distance between the points. So specify the first extension line or origin. If suppose I want to give the length of this one, so click at the first point, then give it to the second point. Now give the dimension. Now let's see here. These dimensions are not visible clearly. So how to do this? So here, go into the Annotate tab. Go into the Annotate tab. Now in this Dimensions tab, or click on this arrow. Okay, right corner arrow. This window is get open. It is Dimension Style Manager window. This Dimension Style Manager window. Click on Modify command. Okay, click on Modify command. Now in Modify command, just make changes. Make changes between these tabs. Go in Symbol and Arrows. Change the arrow size 6, then text height, it is 2, make it 6, ISO standard, then primary unit 0.00, click OK, then press close. Okay, it is still not visible, so again move over there, go over there, modify it, change the symbol and arrow, 10, text height 10, click close. Okay, somewhat it is visible. Okay, let's see here. We have scaled this rectangle in first lecture. Okay, here you can see. We have scaled up this rectangle. Okay, so that's why this 200 length of that rectangle was 200. So after the scaling by factor 2, so it length become 400. Here you can see. Now again, go to the home tab, go to the annotate linear distance, or linear distance between this point and this point. Let's see here, it is 200. We have drawn the rectangle of size 200 by 100, and after the scaling up by factor 2, so it becomes 400 by 200. Now here we scale down this rectangle by half. Let's see the dimension. Linear, first point, second point. Let's see, it is 100, exactly half. Half of 200. This is, it should be the half of 100. It means it should be the 50. Let's see. Okay, this is 50. So this is how we can use the linear dimensions. Now align dimensions. Next is the align. Okay, let's see what is the align. If I choose, firstly I will show how much is the align dimension. Let's see. Choose the align. So first point, second point. Okay, here let's see. This second point is not appearing over here because in object snap mode we have a switch of the endpoint. Okay, I will teach you later about this object snap mode. Select first point, this is second point. Let's see, this is 200. Now if I similarly choose the linear for this line, okay, let's see. If I choose the linear for this line, let's see, the linear dimension of this line is different and align dimension is different. So align dimension will gives the exact length of that line, and this will gives what the top view length. Okay, 173.21 this is the linear distance. Okay, so whenever you want to give the exact distance of any inclined line or any inclined object, you have to choose the align dimensions. Okay, so I will delete this. Now move next here, angular. Okay, so here we have drawn the 200 mm line of angle 30° with X. So for angle, select this line, then select second line. So here you will observe, let's see. Inside enter, I enter. Here you can see, let's see, 30°. Okay. So this scroll button is not working very well. So that's why this problem is happening. Okay, so this is 30°. So this is how we can use Now arc length, radius. Okay, we can give the radius of a circle. Just select the radius and select the circle. Here you can see the radius 75. I can use the diameter also. Diameter. Select the circle. Here it appears the diameter. Okay, for radius it shows R75 and for diameter it shows phi 150. So this is how we can give the dimensions. Okay. Now next is the properties toolbar. Now in properties toolbar we can change the color of object. Okay, so firstly let's select the object. Here I will select this object. I will change the color of this object. Okay, so here the object color is changed. Now again select the object. In second option I can change the line thickness. Here let's see. I changed the line thickness by 0.30 mm, but it is not showing over here because of the line weight option is off here. We'll see line weight, show or hide line weight, it is off. So when I on this one, so here you will find out the thickness here. When I off this, it look like as a simple. When I on this, it gives the exact thickness. Now let's see, when you start the AutoCAD, sometimes this line weight option is not there. Let's see, like this one. We will not find the line weight option over here. So how to appear the line weight option over here? So for the go into the customization here. You will find out the three lines at the right corner customization, and in this customization just enable the line weight. So here now you will find out the line weight, so you can on or off the line weight. Okay, so here I can change the thickness of a line. Now let's see, next I have to change the type of the line. So here I can change the type of the line. So go into the other. When you goes into the other, I have to load the different lines. So click on load. So here basically I want the center line. So click on here, just press the C. So all the lines with notation alphabet C appeared over here. So I want what? Center line. Then I required hidden line also. So click over here, press H. So filter of H. Okay, I want hidden line. So these two lines I want or I required for drawing. Basically these two lines are required. So just close this one. Now here you will see center and hidden. Initially the center and hidden line is not over there. This option is not over there. So I have loaded this option. Where I have loaded, go into the other, go into the load, then click over here, just type C. So center is coming over here, just click OK. Okay, already it is have over there. Just please OK. After pressing OK, so here these lines are visible. Now how to change the line type? Now let's see. Click on this line, select the line, go over here, make it center line. Now let's see, you've done this line as a center line, but it is not looking as a center line. So how to do this one? Just click over here. After the clicking, what I have to do, I have to change its scaling. Okay, I have to change its scaling. Okay, select this one, go into the properties tab. Okay, here right click, select this one, right click, properties. So in properties you have to change the line type scale. Here you will observe the one, so I can make it 5. Press enter. Okay, 5 is not visible. I will make it 10. Press enter. Okay, 15. Enter. Now it is visible. Let's see. Let's see. It is visible right now. It looks like as a center line. Okay, I will copy this one. Just copy. This is the base point. I will copy over here. Okay, now I press escape. Now I want to change this line as a hidden line. So just go over here. Just click on the hidden. Let's see. This will convert it into the hidden line. So in this fashion, we can change the line type. Okay. Now next, last one is what the how to use the object snap mode. Now let's see. Generally, this object snap mode we require to uh, locate that exact point on the given drawing. It means, let's see. Mm, Z enter enter. Hmm. Here I have drawn the line. Here I have drawn the line. Okay. Now when I select the line command, it means whenever I have to draw the next line, at that time AutoCAD will suggest me the points automatically. Okay, it suggests me the endpoint. Let's see here. This is what the indication for the endpoint. Square. Green square you will observe over there. Here it gives me the suggestion, that is I want to draw the new line from the endpoint of previous line. So if it is okay, it means I have to draw the new line from the endpoint of the first line. So I will click over here and I will move the cursor in upward direction. So it is okay. But let's see. When I off this mode, object snap mode off, when I make it off and go into the line, now let's see, it doesn't shows me any option. So for that, what I will do, I will just open it and just okay. Now it is showing the endpoint option. But now let's see, when you on this option, now we have different snaps points. Here endpoint is on, intersection point is on, but the different points are off. Now let's see, if I make the endpoint off, okay, now move here, escape line. Let's see, it doesn't show me the what endpoint, but here it shows me the intersection here, because the only the intersection is on. If I make the midpoint on, it shows me the suggestion for the midpoint. Now line here, let's see, midpoint is shown by the triangle. Okay, it is midpoint. So here the midpoint. Okay, so this is what the object snap mode. So these are the some snap points that we have to choose. Okay, so this is what the snap mode. Okay, so this is what the different modified commands, how to give the dimensions, then how to change the properties. Okay, thank you for watching the video.